Hola amigos! Welcome back to Tex-Mex at Home. Today we're making an authentic Mexican salsa, fresh, flavorful, and way better than anything from a jar. Traditionally, my ancestors used a molcajete, a mortar and pestle made from volcanic rock, to grind the ingredients by hand. The grinding process releases essential oils from the garlic, chiles, and tomatoes, giving the salsa a deeper, more complex flavor. Now, while I love using a molcajete, I know not everyone has one at home. So today we're using our food processor, something you probably have in your kitchen. If you don't have a food processor, no worries. You can also use a blender. Just keep in mind that a food processor gives a salsa more texture, while a blender will make it smoother. So go with whatever works for you. All right, let's get to it. Here's what we're working with today. 5 Roma or plum tomatoes, 4 jalapenos, half a white onion, 2 cloves of garlic, 1/4 cup of fresh cilantro, salt and pepper to taste, and 1 tablespoon of oil for texture. Now let's devein and deseed our jalapenos to adjust the spice level to our liking. I like medium heat, so I deseed and devein just 1 jalapeno. But if you prefer a mild salsa, you can go ahead and do this for 2 jalapenos instead. Want to feel the full heat? Leave all the seeds and veins in. Just remove the stem. The jalapeno is one of the milder chiles, so don't worry, you'll handle it just fine. If you've never worked with jalapenos or other spicy peppers before, I highly recommend wearing gloves. Trust me, that burning sensation from the spice inside the jalapeno sticks around for much longer than you'd think. If you don't want to wear gloves, be extra careful not to touch your eyes, face, or anything else you don't want burning. You'll thank me later. Now that we've deseeded our peppers, let's get cooking. We start by bringing a pot of water to a rolling boil. We add enough water to cover our veggies completely. Once it's bubbling, we add our 4 tomatoes, half an onion, 2 cloves of garlic, and 4 jalapenos. We're using Roma or plum tomatoes because they have fewer seeds, the right balance of sweetness, and the perfect texture for salsa. If you don't have Roma tomatoes and you're dying for fresh salsa, you can use any ripe tomato, but you may end up with a more soupy salsa as other tomatoes are probably more juicy. Salsa recipes can vary. This is my family's recipe, but there's no right way to make a salsa. It all depends on your personal taste. Let everything boil for about 2 to 3 minutes or just until the tomato skins start to burst. That's your sign that they're perfectly softened. Remember, we're not making soup, we just want to loosen the skin and bring out the natural flavors. Quick tip, make sure you have a kitchen hood on or a window open, because when hot peppers start cooking, the steam can produce an unexpected sinus cleanse. Once we are done boiling our ingredients, we transfer them to a food processor, and here's where the magic happens. Now we add 1/4 cup of fresh cilantro, 1 tablespoon of oil to give the salsa a smoother texture, and pepper and salt to taste. I like to start with half a teaspoon of black pepper and 1 teaspoon of salt, but feel free to adjust based on your preference. And now we mix again. Now, our salsa is ready for a taste test. Let's try it. Delicioso! Once you make homemade salsa, you won't want to eat store-bought salsa again. Let me know how spicy yours turned out in the comments. If you like this video and want more Tex-Mex at home recipes, hit subscribe and tap that notification bell so you never miss a new one. Don't forget to like this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Hasta luego!